Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you top 5 fastest bikes in the world. So before the video begins, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. And finally, hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's begin with the video. 5th, Kawasaki Ninja ZX 14R. It is a very beautiful bike. Let's see the specs of this bike. Four, BMW S1000R. It is very dope looking bike. Let's see the specs of this bike. Third, Suzuki Hayabusa. It is one of my favorite bike and it looks so beautiful. Let's look at the specs of this bike. Second, MTT Turbine Superbike. It is also very beautiful bike. Let's see at the specs of this bike. And finally, in the first position, the world's fastest bike for 2018 is Kawasaki Ninja H2R. It is my most favorite bike and it looks so mean and aggressive. It has a nice engine which has 300 horsepower. Let's look at the specs of this bike. That's it for today guys. See you later.